yourself and tell me who. Say my name, say my name. Say my name is around you. Baby, I love you. Say my name, say my name. Kinda shady, ain't calling me baby.
I'm getting dressed today because it's been a minute and I need to get myself together. Y'all, I can't see my flip-up screen because I'm in my bathroom and I actually put my light on top of my camera like you're supposed to do, but I never do. Now I really don't know if I am in focus. Just gonna have to rock with it, roll with it. So y'all, I am putting this wig on. So I decided to come on here and show you guys. I got this wig from Amazon. This is my 5th time wearing this wig in 2 weeks, which has got to be a record. It is 28 inches long. It's a 13x4. I don't remember the name from Amazon that I got it from, but of course y'all know I will link this exact wig down below. Not a lot of parting space, to be honest with. You get an inch on the side right here. You get a little bit in the middle. It's like a standard wig cap, you know. The lace is supposed to be transparent. The lace is decent, y'all. I did bleach the knots on her as well, and I did pluck the hairline, but I did cut some of the hairline off as well. So anyways, it probably needs a little bit more plucking, but it is what it is. The knots need to be bleached again, you guys. They took okay the first go around, but now that I'm looking closer, I'm kind of like, you can go for a second bleaching little knots. First off, I'm just gonna start by using my wax stick, getting all the little hairs out of the hairline so that when I go to apply it, it's just much easier. I forgot to tell you, but this is a body wave unit. I did wash her last night, deep condition her. Y'all, I used a Pureology something in a purple bottle. Honestly, I don't use Pureology. I got it in a PR package. It was so good. I'm like, I think I may try this in my actual like natural hair. Okay, this unit, you guys, the cost of this unit, you guys, $108. The wig is full. She's full enough for my liking. She's not too thin, not too crazy wiggy thick. No shedding. I'm like, look, holidays are coming up. Money may be tight because I know my money is, if I'm being honest. And you want to look cute on a budget. I don't know how long this is going to last, but this is my 5th install on this wig. And I got high hopes. I'm like, look, for $108, if I can get through the holiday season with this thing, I'm good. Like, I am good. I cannot expect a wig that's so cheap to last me 10 years. It's not gonna happen. I just feel like switching it up today. I normally use my Even Wonder lace spray or whatever, but I used this the other day on going to Isaiah's football game, wearing this unit, and I was like, I miss my dead head. I miss this hard head extreme hold hairspray that's a number 5. So let's go ahead and pop this on and get our lives together. Y'all, I forgot I had this clip, so I'm inserting it here. Obviously, this is just the hair, the wig right out of the package, all brand new, and yeah, just how you would receive it from Amazon. Like I said, I did go ahead and customize this unit a bit. Here you get a close-up look or a better look at the lace. Next, let's go ahead and play a little bit of gospel music, get a little bit of worship in right now, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my wig. Just go ahead and melt this lace really quickly. And just to FYI, this unit is big head friendly. My hair is not even like super flat underneath, and it fits very well. All right, you guys, so to open a door. It's a little warm in here. I don't even know how my lighting is. Can't even freaking see myself. I am going to throw this thing around my big forehead, my little elastic strap, to make sure that gets nice and melted in my skin. Let's just go ahead and do my part and put some boopity boop layers up in this mug. Y'all, this hair is so, look at that, y'all. So freaking soft. So I'm doing a middle part today. I'm just gonna hit the roots with a little bit of my wax stick on both sides. And then of course, grab my hot comb and get this as flat as possible at the top. Do not forget the back of your head. I sometimes forget the back and it ends up looking extra wiggy back there. So make sure you go ahead and add wax to the back of your head, and also make sure you hot comb it as well. Next, I'm gonna go in, you guys, and just brush down my little baby hairs.
I really just like brush whatever's down. Like I said, I've already worn this wig, so they're already cut. I'm just cutting some scragglies off at this point. Grab me a little protein drink because I'm about to die because I am dying of hunger. And then just add a little bit of my Design Essentials foam. I do not go crazy with this, especially when I am just day to day about to just run some errands like I was this day. Also, another big tip, you guys, that I do, and it only seems to happen really when I'm just in the bathroom, just regular days getting ready to go. I just kind of just lightly do my hairline. So I just brush down whatever little baby hairs want to come down. I don't force anything. I don't force any swoops, all that great stuff, and it comes out really good. So this is how we're looking, you guys. Not bad, not bad. Just gonna tie it up and then blow dry it down and set everything in place.
All right, y'all, so here is the hair. I don't want to cut too much off because I bought it for it to be long. I'm not about to just go cut it up. I am about 5'2", you guys, and it comes to like my butt crack. It is nice and long, and I want to keep that length, but it needs some movement. It needs some body, and the only way to do that is to do our best to add some layers.
So when it comes to layers, you guys, I basically just start where the lace front hair is because you know it's not going to be as long as the rest of the hair on the unit. And then I just use my little razor and just start cutting. This is just what I do. There's no really rhyme or reason. I don't know, you guys. I just kind of do what I feel and make sure I also get the back of the hair so that it's not just the front that has layers. Of course, do it how you feel, girl. Do it how you feel.
Okay, y'all, to do my hair, I do this all the time when I'm in a rush, but I don't want to leave my hair, you know, without a little bit of curl to it. Need you to heat up, big boy. So all I'm going to do, y'all, is just use this mainly for the heat. I'm not really using this big barrel to curl. And then I'm going to go quickly, probably do maybe a quick 2-strand twist. And all you're gonna do, whatever you do, you just wrap it in these really big foam rollers, these flexi rods. Just leave it and then just let it set. And then I'm gonna do my makeup and then we'll take it out. I don't want tight curls anyways, so I do this all the time and it pretty much comes out how I want it to be because I don't want to wear it straight, like bone straight. I also don't necessarily want it curled either.
This step should take you like 5 minutes, maybe 6, okay, whatever. All I'm doing is just using the heat. All I want is just the heat to activate the curl, so activate the flexi rod. I don't need tight curls. I don't need any of that. I'm just using the heat. You could also just go ahead, add some water, flexi rod your hair, and then use your blow dryer if you want to, but I didn't go that route. I do that as well. So this is just an option if you want something very simple and you don't want to leave your hair like in its natural state. I do this all the time, but you have to make sure you have these big jumbo rollers so that you can save time and you don't have to add a billion of them in your hair. So just gonna lightly spray it with my DH Wiz, oh, I can't remember the name, hairspray, and then let that set. And next, we're gonna take it out, and this is how we are looking, you guys. So I ended up doing the back two, like twisting the back two and then just rolling up the front, if that makes sense. So this one right here that's coming out is 2-strand twist, and this one, like the other side, I just rolled it on up. Just gonna undo them, brush them out a bit because I don't need these tight curls or anything like that. And then I'm still gonna run my big jumbo curling iron through the front because that little side over there was just not doing what it was supposed to be doing, which is all good. It came out exactly how I wanted, minus the side of it. And we looking good, y'all. We looking good. The only thing about this unit, you guys, is that it does not hold a curl very well. So if you need this hair to be curly, you want some curls in it, make sure you have plenty of time. Okay, let me get it together to actually let the curls set. I got this to set really well once, and this is my 5th time wearing this unit. So just make sure you give them time to hold and make sure you add some hairspray. And I came out in the living room, you guys, so you can see the unit in natural light, not in my bathroom, and look how pretty it looks, you guys. I'm in love. It came out so good.
Y'all, this unit is so worth the price. Hopefully they're still doing the same discount because I think when I got it, it was either a 15% discount or 30% discount or $30 off. The holidays are coming up. Y'all be prepared right now. So this is a good one, a cheap one, let's just be real, to have in your stash. They're already giving it to you for a little bit more than $100. You're gonna have to do some kind of work to it. So you're gonna have to pluck it a little bit if you want to, and of course bleach the knots, and of course you guys saw me layer it and all that good stuff, but I think it's completely worth the price. No brainer, just buy it, just get it. The hair is full, y'all. It's beautiful, it's true to length. I don't have anything negative to say about this, y'all. So it's got some movement to it. Y'all see that? That's what you want. Yeah, y'all, I will put the link down to everything down below, for the curling iron to the flexi rods that I use, and of course this unit. If you have any questions, comments, let me know, y'all. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a like, give me a thumbs up, all that great stuff, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.
If somebody's there, then tell me who.